The Granitestone 15-piece Nonstick Cookware Set is like a helpful friend in your kitchen. This set includes many pieces. You get pots and pans of different sizes. There are also lids that fit well. This Granitestone 15-piece Nonstick Cookware Set aims to make cooking easier for everyone in your household. It's designed for simple cooking and cleaning. The non-stick surface of the Granitestone 15-piece Nonstick Cookware Set is a key feature. It's coated with diamond particles. This helps food slide off easily. You won't have to worry about food sticking and burning. Cleaning up after cooking becomes a breeze. Just a little soap and water can do the trick. Plus, this set is often dishwasher safe. This saves you even more time and effort after making delicious stir-fries. This pot and pan set is made to be user-friendly. The blue color adds a nice touch to your kitchen. While it's not made in the USA, it brings a practical solution to your cooking needs. The set is designed for everyday use. It can handle various cooking tasks. And it helps you avoid extra fees for complicated cleaning. The Granitestone 15-piece Nonstick Cookware Set wants to be a reliable item in your home. It's a simple choice for anyone needing a complete set of sartenes and pots. Pros: dishwasher safe, metal utensil safe, oven safe. To 500 degrees F. Even heat, durable, healthy cooking, looks good. Blue. Complete set, lids included. Cons: non-stick may wear off, needs careful cleaning, can be lightweight. Feel, smaller sizes than expected. Coating may flake off, uneven heating possible, not always truly non-stick. Metal utensils not advised. Features: 15-piece set, non-stick, kitchen pots, pans set, cookware sets, pot and pan set, diamond coated, dishwasher safe, blue color, Granitestone brand. This Granitestone 15-piece kitchen set has blue non-stick pots and pans. The cookware set includes pots and pans. They have a diamond coating to help keep food from sticking. These pots and pans are safe to wash in the dishwasher. The set is made by Granitestone. This Granitestone 15-piece cookware set in blue offers a complete set of pots and pans with lids. It boasts a diamond-coated non-stick surface, making it metal utensil safe and suitable for oven use up to 500 degrees F. Promising even heating, durability, and healthy cooking. However, the non-stick coating may wear off over time, requiring careful cleaning, and some users might find the set feels lightweight or the sizes smaller than expected. There's also a possibility of the coating flaking or uneven heating. And despite being advertised as non-stick, some users advise against metal utensils.